Hello and welcome back to St Modwen Homes' YouTube channel. When it comes to hunting for your first or next home, one of the most important things you need to establish is the type of house you're looking for. Different types of homes have different pros and cons, which is why it's important to do your research to find the home that works for you. In this video, we'll be talking through the various house types we have to offer so you can get a better understanding of what could work for you. At St Modwen Homes, we offer a range of different house types to suit different buyers' needs. These include detached, semi-detached, terraced and apartments, and each of them offer their own benefits. Detached homes are standalone, which means they aren't connected to any other properties. They offer the largest amount of privacy due to their isolation and often have plenty of space, making them a great option for those looking to upsize. And as you won't be sharing the plot with any neighbours, you can really make the front space your own. One of our most popular detached house types is our Garnet. It benefits from lots of space, including a large kitchen diner with a separate utility room, a separate living room, and a separate family room, which could alternatively be used as an office or playroom. The upstairs features 4 bedrooms, with the main bedroom benefiting from its own ensuite and walk-in wardrobe. And the landing area has a statement floor-to-ceiling window, which is a really beautiful and unique feature for a new build. This type of detached home would be the perfect property for those looking to upsize and have more living space. Semi-detached homes are connected to one other home, with one side of the building standing alone. Because of this style of home is often listed at a lower price point and could save you up to 15% on lower energy bills in comparison to a detached home. Semi-detached homes are great for families as they offer plenty of space, meaning there's room for everyone. And you'll also have the benefit of a community feel with your neighbours. One of our most popular semi-detached homes is our 3-bedroom Edwena. This home is perfect for first-time buyers that don't want to compromise on certain desirable features such as a separate utility space or an ensuite. What's great about a lot of our Edwena house types is that you're able to choose the downstairs layout, meaning you can choose for us to keep the whole downstairs open plan, or if you prefer separate living spaces, you can just let us know and we'll build a wall to separate the living and kitchen dining room. Terraced homes are connected to other properties on both sides, meaning they're also very energy efficient and even more likely to reduce your energy bills. This type of home is generally more affordable, meaning it's great for first-time buyers or downsizers. One of our house types that is often built as a terraced home is our 2-bedroom Kemble. The front of the property features a good-sized living room and the back of the property is home to the kitchen dining room. The ground floor also features a downstairs WC and a storage cupboard which runs under the stairs. You'll find 2 bedrooms upstairs, with the main bedroom benefiting from built-in wardrobes, along with the family bathroom. At St Modwen Homes, our properties range from 1 to 5 bedrooms across a variation of different house types. Once you've decided the style of home that's right for you, you can then find a home with the appropriate layout to suit your lifestyle. At build stage, you'll also be able to choose from a range of options and upgrades products, including worktops, flooring and kitchen cupboards, to create a space that's truly unique to you no matter what the house type. So now you know a little bit more about the different types of homes we have to offer, you're more equipped to find the right one that works for you. To find out any more information about our developments or our homes, please click the link in the description below.